ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ವೇದಂತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾವು ಈ ಫೈನಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಟು ನೀಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್. ದೆನ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಬೇಗ. ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೀಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಬಾರಿ 25 lakh ನೀಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ನೀಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, 25 lakh ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಟೋಟಲಿ 160 marks is coming from chemistry, right? In that entirely more than 50% organic topics ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾನ್ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿತ್ ಅಂಕಿತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂಕಿತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಎಂಟೈರ್ GOC ವಿ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, GOC ಜನರಲ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ one of the important chemistry topic. correct? Every NCERT line by line decode martini in only one shot. In entire one shot I complete class 11 GOC topic matte PYQs more than 5 years question ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ನೋ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಚಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಬೇಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬೇಗ. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಎಸ್. Thank you so much for attending. Students, class start munche, before starting the class, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel ಮತ್ತೆ share ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. ಯಾರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟ್ ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ, we can write in English. If we understand in Kannada, we can easily write in English, right my dear students? In this channel we not teach entire NEET in only Kannada. In English ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಚಾನಲ್ ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ in 15 days we cover entire chemistry, entire bio, entire physics syllabus. This is a promise from your Suhas sir and Deeksha channel. This is an entire syllabus, right? This is the entire syllabus. In GOC we have general introduction, method of purification. In this IUPAC nomenclature is very important. Correct alwa students? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they ask their IUPAC nomenclature or IUPAC name, and after that inductive effect, the increasing and decreasing order definitely ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ electromeric effect, it is also one of the important method, and resonating structure and resonance effect and hyperconjugation, and what is the meaning of homolytic catalytic fission, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಫ್ರೀ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್, ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟಯನ್, ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟಯನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, and electrophile and nucleophile types of organic reaction. This is an entire syllabus. This is an entire syllabus of not an OC, GOC, right? General organic chemistry, some basic principle and techniques. Correct alwa my dear students? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ? ಎಸ್, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, PYQ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. Tetravalency. What is the meaning of tetravalency? Students, organic chemistry is nothing but, organic chemistry ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Carbon related compound. Organic chemistry is nothing but carbon. What is the atomic number of carbon, my dear students? My dear NEET aspirants, what is the atomic number of carbon? The carbon atomic number is 6, right? It's nothing but it have 4 electron in its valence shell. 4 electron is there. What is the electronic configuration? ಏನಿದ್ರದ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ electronic configuration 2,4. correct? Then if you write by cell or by subcells and other thing, actual electronic configuration is 1s2, 2h2, 2p2, right? Totally 4 electrons is present in its outermost valence shell. correct alva? outermost valence shell ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 electron ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. we already know every element has one tendency to attend its what? To attend its what, students? Let us know in chart section. To attend its noble gas electronic configuration or noble element electronic configuration. correct alva? noble element to electronic configuration ge istapadutte. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? For that, either carbon give 4 electrons or carbon can accept 4 electrons. These two are not possible. ಯಾಕೆ? If they accept 4 electrons, what happened? It is too difficult to carry 10 electrons from 6 protons. It is too difficult. Similarly, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, for removing those electrons, carbon is a very what very sir, very small molecule. We need high energy, ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? This about carbon, entire carbon. That's why carbon proceeds or shows two important characteristics here. One is called tetravalency. Due to this tetravalency, it forms more molecules. Organic chemistry is nothing but carbon molecules. Organic chemistry is nothing but the study of carbon molecules. Okay, students, this is about entire basics related to carbon. Okay, tetravalency and other things. Here we have some characteristic features of pi bond, sigma bonds. We already discussed, right, students? Sigma bond. What is the structure or what is the shape of sigma bond? Sigma bond look like a ball, cricket ball tara irutte, right, my dear students? How sigma bond is forming? By this type, by axial overlapping, right? Pi bond hegagute by pi bonds. It has dumbbell shape, right? Right, my dear student? SPD we already know. Don't worry, I only teach entire the structure and related concepts. That is nothing but structure of atom, right? Structure of atom. I think tomorrow, not in tomorrow, day after tomorrow, then we go one shot live about structure of atom units. Okay na? More than 75% organic naan ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, 25% ಅಂಕಿತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 75% ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಅಂಕಿತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ, 25% ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ನಾನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್. This about what syllabus divide between Ankita ma'am and me. Okay, students. Then here we have few important characteristics features of pi bonds. Here, what is the first one? In pi bond formation, parallel orientation of the two p orbitals on adjacent atom is necessary for a proper sideway overlap. It's nothing but ಏನಿದ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ, ಇದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ both pi bonds is there na between two carbon atoms. Before forming any pi bonds between two carbon atoms, it must ensure these two pi bonds are present in same plane. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ pi bonds provides the most reactive centers in the molecule containing multiple bond. ಏನಿದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ? ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what they convey. ಓಕೆನಾ? what they convey by using this line is very simple. If pi bond is there na, it is nothing but it is most reactive place. For example, we have three types. We already know we have three types of carbon compound or carbon bonds: single bond, double bond, triple bond. In this triple bond has more electron reactivity center. Then after the second bond, single bond. This is about general introduction, my dear students. Here we have some questions. In-text questions idiyalla, this solutions is very important, students. Here, what is the question here? How many sigma bonds and pi bonds are present in each of the following molecules? Here we need to identify. Let's write the A structure. ಏನಿದೆ? Here C triple bond and C single bond, SCH, then double bond CH, single bond CH3. Right, my dear students? This one, and what's about this case? SH. This is a first molecule. Here we need to count the total number of sigma and pi bonds. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is the actual question. Here totally how many pi bond is there? 2, 1. Totally 3 pi bonds and all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, another 8, 9, 10. Total 10 sigma bonds. Okay. Before forming C triple bond C, in this compound also one single bond is there. Right, my dear students? Okay. I hope it's clear. Now let's move on to the structural representation of organic compounds. Structural representation, very important. What is the meaning of structural representation? Very simple, student. Now ಒಂದು organic compound or any organic compound is represented by few structures. We already know we have three types. One is called molecular formula. Either we represent organic compound by molecular formulae. ಎಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? By using molecular formulae. Second point, by using this structural formulae. We already familiar, right? And after that, now we have another thing. It is nothing but condensed structural formulae and bond line. ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Condensed and bond line structure. For example, let's take any example, my dear NEET aspirants. any examples. You can take any example. For example, ethane molecule. What is the structural formula of ethane molecule? The structural formula is C2H6, right? Not in structural formula, sorry for that, molecular formula. The structural formula is this one, CH3, CH3. This is a structural formula. We have condensed formula. How we write condensed formula? CH3, CH3. This is a condensed formula without bond. Then after that, bond line structure. This is bond line of ethane molecule. It's nothing but this end is there na. This end is completely represents CH3 molecule. The end represent ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ CH3 molecule na represent ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. This is about the representation of molecule. Here we have few important terms. Expand each of the following condensed formula into their complete structural formula. So we need to write these two complete structural formula. CH3, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Write hydrogen in every side. Okay. Then this is a complete structural formula. Bond line. Yes, bond line. CH3, CH2, then C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Here, double bond O. Yes, it's done. Then B is there. B there. CH3 there. Similarly, CH molecule kuda ide. Then after that, double bond ide. Double bond idu C H molecule ide. Matte illi CH3 CH2 molecule ide. Another CH molecule matte innondu molecule CH3 molecule ide. Ee riti baribeku. Okay, this regarding about structural representation, it's also not important for your exam. Here one important thing is there, students. Basics is important. Okay, what is this? Three-dimensional representation of organic molecule. Now, A 3D structure na baritive anta. Here we have two type of bond representation. If we represent in dotted line, then this is represent the away from the observer. For example, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, for example, take this as a molecule. ಇದನ್ನ molecule ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is a molecule. If you watch this molecule, here carbon atom is there. If you watch this carbon atom, it is form a bond with hydrogen atom, students. If you watch the entire molecule from this side, then we represent this carbon and hydrogen bonding or any other carbon and element bonding. What we represent in this by shaded line or which line? Solid wedge line. It is represented by solid wedge. Similarly, same element, same atom is form a bond with carbon atom, right? Here also one atom is there. In this side also one atom is there. This atom represented by dashed line or dash line, right? Or dashed wedge. Solid wedge, dashed wedge. This is about 3D representation. For example, molecule, CH3 molecule. Let's consider CH3 molecule. We write CH3 molecule, CH4, sorry for that. One bond, H. This one is nothing but we watch the carbon molecule from this side. That's why this is towards observer. This hydrogen is away from the observer. Very simple. Okay, my dear students. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತೇನೆ. Next, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? Yes, next more the classification of organic compounds, students. Classification. ಈ classification ಇಲ್ಲಿ what we learn? Organic compounds classified into two types. What happened here, my dear students? Organic compound is classified into two types. First type, what is the first type? It is a acyclic or open chain compound. Second type, cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds. First one, acyclic is nothing but any open chain molecule, either alkane, alkene, alkyl, any functional group. Then cyclic is nothing but it forms cyclic compounds. We already know, right, students? Class 10th alla ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, correct alva? Then after that, further we classify this one. Which one? Ring compounds or cyclic. Further on classified into two types. One is alicyclic compounds, aromatic. Aromatic is nothing but if it consists benzene ring, then this is called aromatic. Okay. Sorry for the students. This aromatic compounds further classified into three types. First one, benzenoic compound is nothing but benzene derivatives. For example, phenol compound, benzoic acid compounds, and other compounds. Okay. Then after that, non-benzoic compounds is nothing but without benzene group. Without benzene, it is 6-member ring only. It consists some double bonds. Quinone is there. This is an example. Then heterocyclic aromatic compounds is nothing but for 6-member. If the 6-member compound consists double bond with any hetero atom, for example, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, SF, NSO. This one. Here, homolytic or carbocyclic compounds is nothing but only carbon compounds. 3-member ring, 4-member ring, 5-member ring. These are example. And after that, heterocyclic is nothing but these are non-aromatic is nothing but it presents nitrogen and other relevant hetero atoms. Very simple. This about classification. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ನೀವು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. You can ask. You can ask in chat section or in comment section. Okay, my dear students. Next, move on to the functional group. What is functional group? Very simple. Functional group is an atom or a group of atoms which is replaced the hydrogen in hydrocarbon. Then this atom responsible for the characteristics chemical property. What? Entire carbon compound ಆ atom ಮೇಲೆ represent ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ responsibility ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Depends upon that atom, the entire chemical and physical properties completely depending. Right, my dear students? These are called functional group. For example, here we have many functional groups. For example, alcohol, ROH. What is the formula? ROH. For aldehyde, RCOH. Similarly, ketone. Instead of H, we have both R groups. Then after that, RCOR is done, ketone is done. Next, ester. These are ester. Similarly, cyanide molecules, nitrile compounds. And after that, we have many things, students. Ether molecule, ROR, symmetrical ether. In second PU, in class 12, you discuss entire ether molecule. I am only take that class. Okay, students? I hope it's clear. Then homologous series. What is homologous series? We are already familiar with this one. A group or a series of organic compound is containing a same characteristic functional group. It's nothing but in the atom present or the group or the members or the molecules present in this group have same chemical property. ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Same chemical property ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then after that, nomenclature. Students, nomenclature is very important. Okay, nomenclature of organic compounds. We name any organic compound in two forms or in two names. We name it in two names. First one, common name or trivial name. It is different. IUPAC. Second one is IUPAC. This is an which name? IUPAC name. Most of the time we represent the compound in IUPAC only. What is the full form of IUPAC? IUPAC full form is International, not Indian. International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. What is the full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. This is an institute which give the IUPAC name, right, my dear students? This is about the full form of IUPAC. Common name is completely depend upon their trivial name and other things. We know, right, common name, but most of the time they ask IUPAC. Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ NEET exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ they give some molecule, then they ask what is the IUPAC name of this compound. They give 4 options. You need to choose the correct answer, right, my dear students? Here, please concentrate for 5 to 10 minutes only. Okay, I give some tricks or I explain entire IUPAC in within 10 minutes. Very simple, students. IUPAC, in International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry, right, my dear students? In this IUPAC, okay, yeah, we divide the entire IUPAC name into 3 parts. First part, it's completely depending upon their prefix term. Middle part is completely depending upon middle part is completely depending upon the root word. It's nothing but carbon atom, the number of carbon atom present in long chain, right, my dear student? Prefix done, root word, then suffix term. This suffix term is completely depends upon which functional group is present in the compound. It's completely depending upon functional group. Prefix term, it's completely depending upon substituent. This one root word. For example, students, here for IUPAC system we have 3 to 4 important points. But ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಗ IUPAC ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. How we do fast IUPAC system or IUPAC naming for any compound. First, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Any compound. First देखता number of carbon atom present in longest chain. For example, 5 carbon atom ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. In longest chain 5 carbon atom is there. Then what happened? What is the root word for 5 carbon atom? Root word for 1 carbon atom is meth, 2 carbonate is eth, 3 carbon atom prop, 4 carbon atom but, 5 carbon atom pent, 6 hex, 7 hep, 8 hot, 9th neck, right, neck, 10th, then deck. These are the root words. Yeah, how many carbon atom present, my dear students, my dear NEET aspirants? Totally 5 carbon atom is there. 5 carbon atom is nothing but pen. Then after that, check any functional group is present or not. If there nothing functional group is there present or no functional group is present in the compound, then check any double bond is present. No sir, nothing double bond is there. It is the overall complete compound connect with only single bond. Then its suffix become ANA. Pentane done na. Prefix term, sorry, not an prefix, root term suffix. If you done this root and suffix, then you can easily, in 4 options, you can easily eliminate 2 options. Okay. Always go with this method, students. Always go with this method. You can easily score good marks in your NEET upcoming exam. Yav methodology andre, go with elimination method. Go with elimination method. Elimination method. Elimination method. What is the meaning of elimination method? You need to eliminate. Eliminate madi. For example, you have 4 options, right? In these 4 options, definitely 2 are out of the question. First, you ruled out this option, then go with these 2. First, you've done in, especially in IUPAC system, first done these 2 parts, root word and suffix. If you've done these 2 parts, then you can easily eliminate 2 options. Sometime, in some time, you can easily get final answer also. Okay, we know in NEET exams the time is very important. Don't waste time, my dear students. Okay. Then after that, CD done. AB. In AB, okay, in AB is there, pentane is done. Then just look the substituent word. For example, we have 3 substituents. All 3 are same functional group. Sorry, same. It consists same substituent word, and then the numbering is never happened. Here, what happened? If you start the numbering from this side also same, second side also same. But instead of we don't have this functional, sorry, not a functional group, substituent molecule, CH3 molecule illa. Aವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We need to number or be numbering from this side. Why sir? Because always the substituent get lower priority or lower number. ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಈ substituent term ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ lower priority. If we have more than 2 substituent, more than 2 different substituent, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ? We always go with alphabetic order. For example, here, what is the name of this compound? Methyl group, right? Instead of methyl, if we have C2H5 compound in this place C2H5 compound is there, then the numbering is taken place from right side of the board. This is another important topic or another important part, another important point in IUPAC system. Okay, now if you know these 4 important points, then you can easily score out of 4 in IUPAC nomenclature. Students, in entire organic syllabus of your class 11th and class 12th, you have IUPAC system. First topic only IUPAC system. Okay, very important, the nomenclature term. Okay, my dear students, I hope IUPAC is done. Any doubt is there? Now it's doubt solving session. Any doubt is there? Then let us know in chat section, everybody. Another doubt is yeah. Bega ಹೇಳಿ, ಬೇಗ students, ಬೇಗ. Anybody? Anything else? I believe no doubt is there. Okay. Students, please share the channel for your friends. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀಟ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಕನ್ನಡನ ಬೆಳೆಸೋಣ ಜೊತೆಲಿ. Okay. Anything else? IUPAC system done, sir. Then here we have few functional group and related their suffix name. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ functional group suffix name ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. For example, alkanes ಗೆ ANE butane compound, these are we have in NCERT. Student, NCERT is very important. Definitely the question arising from NCERT lines only. Okay, my dear students, I hope it's done. I hope nomenclature is done. Here we have few questions here. What is the question here? The first one. Structures and IUPAC name of some hydrocarbons are given below. Explain why the names given in the parent this or incorrect. Why this incorrect? We need to explain that. Here, look here. What is the exact name? 2,5,6 trimethyl octane, right? Instead of 3,4,7. Why, student? Because we know, right? If any substituent is present, then we always give number from the left side or from how we do numbering, students. The numbering is always taken place, or the numbering is always done towards the functional group, or the substituent is always comes lower priority. Okay, that's why this one. In this compound also same thing is happened. Same. Here another 8.8 problem is there. What is that 8.8 problem? Write the IUPAC names of the compounds 1 to 4 from the given structure. Here only one problem is there. It's okay. Totally 8 carbon atom is there. The 8 is there is nothing but oct. Here functional group OH is there, and no double bonds, no triple bonds, is nothing but octane. This EL is replaced by third position oxygen, OL group is there, alcohol group. Octane 3-ol. Here substituent is also present at 6th position. Then its name becomes 6-methyl octane 3-ol. 6-methyl octane 3-ol. Very simple. Here, what is the next question? Problem 8.9. Derive the structures. Here, now we ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. First one, 2-chlorocyclohexane. Hexane, cyclohexane is nothing but 6-membered one ring. At second position, chloro group. Very simple, done. Yes. Pent 4En2-ol. Pent is nothing but 5-membered carbon atoms. Second position OH group, and fourth position double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Then fill the entire carbon atom by hydrogen. Okay. The valency of carbon atom, we need to satisfy the valency of carbon atom, right, my dear students? CH. Then after this, CH. Then CH. Done, right? Yes. Then 3-nitrocyclohexane. 3-nitrocyclohexene. Okay. Cyclohexene is nothing but benzene compound. At 1, 2, 3. Third position, nitro group. Then cyclohexane 2N1-ol. Cyclohex at second position double bond. At first position OH group. This is a compound such. Next 6-hydroxyeptanol. Ep is nothing but 5-membered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members. Sorry. Yes. Al is nothing but for aldehyde compound. C double bond OH compound. Then cyclohex is done. No. 6-hydroxy. At 6th position OH group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. This is OH group. Then fill the carbon atom with their valency, right? CH3, CH, CH2, CH, CH, CH2, 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 right? This is an molecule structure. This is a molecule structure. I hope it is done. Done, right? Yes. All 3 problems done. It's nothing but the basics is done. Okay, my dear students. Now, next move on to the very important isomerism. What is isomerism? We are already familiar with this one. Very important. Isomerism is nothing but the compounds having same molecular formulae. The compounds having same molecular formulae, but different structural formulae. This type of compound is called structural isomers. These compounds are called structural isomers. This phenomenon is called isomerism. This phenomenon is called isomerism. I repeat once, isomerism is very important topic for your board exam. Isomerism, right, my dear students? What is isomerism? The compounds having same molecular formulae but different structural formulae. These are called structural isomers. This phenomenon is called structural isomerism. Okay, I hope it's done. This about structural isomerism definition. Then we classify the structural isomerism into 2 parts. Where is that eraser thumb? Here, there, sir. Yes. Okay. First Path or first type is structural isomerism and second one stereoisomerism. Both are important. Both are very important for your NEET students. In structural isomer, further the structural isomers classified into 4 types. First one is sign isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, and metamerism. Okay. This further stereoisomerism is classified into 2 types: geometrical isomerism, optical. In geometrical, we have 2-1, cis and trans. Okay. In optical also same thing is happening. Okay. Then after this, done now, stereoisomerism is done, structural isomers. What is chain isomerism? Chain isomerism is nothing but when 2 or more compounds have similar molecular formulae but different in their carbon skeletons. What happened here? They have same structural formulae also, but different their carbon skeletons. For example, here we have C5H12 represents 3 compounds. Okay. How it's represent? For example, C5H12, C5. One is long chain. Second molecule, it's branched chain. And third molecule, this thing, this chain. Okay. Same molecular formulae, but different their carbon skeleton. Either isobutane form and other forms. We already familiar this one. Right, students? These are called chain isomerism. Then position isomerism. What is position? They are different in position of the substituent. Very simple. These are called position isomerism, my dear students. Okay. Then after that, functional group. What is functional group? 2 or more compounds having the same molecular formula but different functional group. For example, aldehyde ketone, always this thing is happen. Ketone form and aldehyde form. This one. Okay, these are called functional group isomerism. Next, metamerism. How metamerism is arise? It arises due to different alkyl chains or either side of the functional group in the molecule. For example, C4H and O represent methoxypropane and also ethoxyethane. Especially this metamerism arising in the case of ether molecule. Okay, different chains present in ether molecules. Always this type of metamerism arising in ether molecule. Okay, my dear students. Next, stereoisomers. What is stereoisomers? The compounds that have the same constitution, okay, and sequence of covalent bond but different in their relative position of their atoms or in groups. These are called stereoisomers. It's nothing but arrangement is there na. The presence. For example, one functional group present in another plane and second functional group is present in another plane. Substituent. Okay, these are called stereoisomers. This special type of isomerism is called stereoisomers. This phenomenon is called this one geometrical and this one. Then fundamental concepts of organic chemistry reactions. Fundamental concepts. What is this here? Organic molecule is there now, my dear students. Substrate. We called organic molecule as a substrate. Here we write attacking reagent. First, some intermediate is forming. In organic reaction, one thing is happens, students. Always with product, we get some byproduct. Okay. And then fission of covalent bond. We have 2 types of bond cleavage is there. ಎರಡು ತರ ಇದೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀವೇಜ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಹೆಟಿರೋಲಿಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲೀವೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಹೋಮೋಲಿಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲೀವೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಟಿರೋಲಿಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲೀವೇಜ್? ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ. How covalent bond is forming, students? It is formed by sharing of its valence electron, right? Sharing ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, the bond breaks in such fashion that the shared pair of electrons remain with one of the fragments. Heterolytic is nothing but what happened whenever the bond is broken, entire electron shifts towards one electron or one element. Then this element carries positive charge, this element carries negative charge. This is called heterolytic. Homolytic is nothing but each electron taken by each carbon atom or each element ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೋಮೋಲಿಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹೆಟೆರೋಲಿಟಿಕ್ is nothing but it broke the bond in such a way one entire atom carries whole electron. Okay, this is difference between homolytic and heterolytic. Next, move on to the very important term, nucleophiles and electrophiles. What are nucleophiles, electrophiles? Nucleophiles is nothing but a reagent that brings an electron pair to the reactive site. It's called nucleophile. It's nothing but the molecule have negative charge or electron pair. They bring the entire electron pair towards the center, towards the electroreactive center, or where the carbon atom is have positive and other things. They are called nucleophiles. Nucleophiles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Nucleophiles always carries negative charge. Sorry for that, negative charge. What happened? This entire nucleophile is always attack carbocation. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Always it attack carbocation. Where it attacked? Carbon or electron deficient species is nothing but whenever they have positive centers, every time this attack. For example, we have many examples. Oxygen, OH molecule, right? Why, sir? Water molecule is also one of the best nucleophile. Okay, why? Because in oxygen they carry electron pair. We have 2 extra electron pair, right, students, in OH2 molecule. That's why. Okay, yeah, it's clear. Clear. After that, ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ? OH2 molecule ಇದೆ. All nucleophile, all, which one? This one, halogens nucleophile ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, OR compound, O minus or. Okay, I hope nucleophile is done. Then electrophile is nothing but opposite to the nucleophile. Electrophile ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Electrophile is always a reagent that takes away an electron pair from electron side. For example, ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟಯಾನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಈ ಆಟಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಪೇರ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿನ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರದವನ್ನ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. We call this type of atom as an electrophile. For example, NO2 plus. No, it is also nucleophile. No, not this one. Electrophile ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? Come on, let us know in chat section. The example for electrophile, we have many electrophiles, right? For example, ಅದು positive charge carry ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ students? Yes, metals always carries positive charge. They are best electrophiles, right? Then after that, we have few important representation, bond representation in your board exams. Okay, very important. Whenever the pi bond, this symbol shows that what it shows is nothing but entire bond is shifted towards that one. Then here this thing is happened from pi bond adjacent atom, from atom to adjacent bond position. Here ನಮಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ questions ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. We have few questions here. What is the questions? Given justification, categorize the following molecules. Here let's look here, student. BF3 molecule is nothing but one of the best Lewis acid. HS minus, these 3 carries negative charge. It's nothing but these 3 are nucleophile. BF3 is an electrophile, right? Acid ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಾರಣ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It is acid molecule always form positive ions like H plus proton, right? H3O plus and other thing. Protonation is best example, electrophilic addition. Here identify electrophilic center in this compound. Here, what is the structure of this compound? C double bond OH. Electrophilic center always this position carbon atom, the functional group. What happens to this oxygen, the CO compound withdraw the electron, or the CH3 molecule donates the electron. Then here we have electron density. Then this is an best electrophilic center. Then for in this molecule, yes, this one CH3 molecule, CN group is there. That's why. Very simple. Okay, my dear students, I hope it's clear. Then very important terms, inductive effect and other few important as resonancing effect, electromagnetic effect, hyperconjugation, amel questions. Okay, nucleophile, electrophile is done. Any questions? Any doubts, my dear students? This all related to this electron movement and other things. Any question is there? Any questions? Okay, students, come on, let's take 5 minutes break now. 5 ನಿಮಿಷ break ತಗೋಣ. Okay na? I am back within 5 minutes. Please don't go anywhere. Stay with me, okay? Stay with me, everybody. Yes, students, come on, let's continue ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes, ಶಿವು. Hi, ಶಿವು. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಶಿವು ಅವರೇ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದು, ಈಗ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್. ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗೀತು. Then more the inductive effects, very important. We have two types of inductive effects, students, plus I and negative I. Here, look here. Here, what is this symbol? Del minus is nothing but it is electronegative. It's nothing but from this compound, it withdraw the electron towards it. Why? Because chlorine, any other halogen molecule, when which present with a cyclic compound, it acts as an electron donating group. Similarly, ಇದೇ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ benzene group ಗೆ attach ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. What happened? Then this acts as an electron donating group. Okay. Similarly, if it is attached to open chain compound, then it acts as an electron withdrawing compound. It withdraw this one. Then this is electropositive, then electrodouble positive. Okay. In turn, carbon 1, which has developed partial positive charge, draws some electron density towards it from the adjacent CC bond. Consequently, same positive charge develops on carbon 2 also, where del loop as symbolize relatively smaller positive charge. ಏನಿದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೋ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ರೈಟ್? ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಇದರಿಂದ, ಬಟ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Then after that, here what happens? The polar CCl bond induce polarity in the adjacent bond. What happened? This bond, polar bond, induce the polarity from the adjacent bond. Such polarization of sigma bond caused by the polarization adjacent sigma bond is referred to as the inductive effect. What is inductive effect? Very simple, students. If the polarization is there, this polar bond, if withdraw some polarization from adjacent sigma bond, this is called inductive effect. Sigma bond is nothing but inductive effect only. Which bond is more polar in the following pairs of molecules? Come on, let's discuss here. As obviously CH bond, CBr, and COH bond, and COH bond, CNH2 bond, CSH bond. This is an example, this is answer. In this case, we have two types, plus I effect and negative I effect. When the compound shows plus I, when they shows negative I. In this case, this molecule shows negative I. Why? In this molecule, chlorine acts as an electron withdrawing group. Whenever the carbon atom, whenever the sigma bond refer negative and or any electron withdrawing group is present, then this compound, then that compound shows which inductive effect? Negative I effect. Minus I ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, if it has positive charge or if it's an electron donating group, then it shows positive I effect. This is about inductive effect, very important, my dear students. Any doubts? Next, more the resonance structure and resonating structure, or the resonating effect, plus R and minus R effects. If electron donating group is present, then it shows plus R, electron withdrawing minus R. This is an hypothesis. What is the resonance structure? It is a canonical structures or contributing structures or hypothetical and individual do not represent any real molecule. Okay. For example, this thing. Come on, let's write few resonancing structure of the molecule. Let's start with a phenol compound. We already know, right, my dear students, phenol compound is nothing but which consists OH compound to the benzene ring. It's nothing but oxygen carries two pairs of lone pair electrons. ಎರಡು ಪೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Correct, my dear students? Here, look here. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this lone pair, this OH group acts as an electron donating group. It acts as an electron donating group. That's why entire this lone pair which contribute, which donate, this oxygen donate its lone pair towards the ring. Whenever this lone pair is shift towards this bond completely move towards this position, then which forms the first resonance structure like this. Here, negative charge. This position carries negative charge, then this oxygen carries positive charge. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ oxygen positive charge ನ carry ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Similarly, this position carries negative charge. Okay, my dear students. After that, this negative charge, what happened? This negative charge move towards this bond and this bond completely move towards this position. Then it shows this resonance structure. Negative charge on this carbon atom, then OH plus. Then after that, similarly, it move towards, then this complete bond move towards this position. These are all not a real structure. These are canonical structures, okay? Negative charge carries on this position. After that, same, this bond move towards, then this complete double bond or this bond move towards oxygen, then it carries or then it forms this structure. These are the 4 resonance structure of phenol molecule. I hope it's clear. Okay, look here. This about resonancing structure. First, what happened? Here, OH compound, oxygen acts as what it acts as a? It acts as a electron donating group. The oxygen donates its entire lone pair towards the benzene ring. This thing is happened. Okay, my dear students. First resonance is done. Then after that, then let's take an example. Whenever the benzene ring consists any electron donating with in the place of electron donating, if it consists electron withdrawing group like carbonyl compound, this entire carbonyl compound acts as an electron withdrawing group. What happened? In this time, this double bond moved towards this position. Then what happened? Then this bond moved towards this position. Then it's happened like this. CO minus H. Then double bond here. Positive charge carries here. Here positive charge is there. Then what happened? On this exact position, nucleophile attack is happened. Nucleophile position attack. Similarly, this bond is moved towards, then this bond, then this bond, this bond. These are the 3 resonance structures. Okay, my dear students. Resonating structure. After this resonating is done, whenever from this we can easily told that whenever electron donating group is present, electrophilic attack is easily happen. E plus attack is easily happen. Electrophilic attack is easily happen. Similarly, electron withdrawing group is present, then nucleophilic substitution reaction is happened. Nucleophilic electrophile. Okay, students. This is about resonancing structure. Whenever the electron donating group is present, then the bond or the benzene ring shows plus R effect. Similarly, minus of electron withdrawing group minus. Okay, done. Then here we have few questions here. Index questions. First one, write resonance structure of CH3CO minus and show the movement of electrons by curved arrows. What is the structure? This is a structure. Here we need to show the electron movement. Very simple. Then we can show like this. Done. Then here, what is the next question? The next one is write resonance structure of a CH3C indicate relative. Okay, count. Yes, we need to relative stability also we need to explain. That CH2 double bond is there, my dear students. Double bond is there. What happened? This complete double bond moves towards this. Then this double bond move towards oxygen. Then it shows this structure. Positive charge here. Then negative charge here. This is a resonance structure. This is a resonance structure of this corresponding molecule. Okay, students. It's clear. I hope it's clear, my dear students. Then next mode, the resonance effect. What is resonance effect? The resonance effect is defined as the polarity produced in the molecule by interaction of 2 pi bonds. Inductive effect is nothing but sigma bond. Resonance effect is nothing but pi bond. It is represented either in R or M. Plus R, minus R. Plus R correspond to electron donating group. Minus R electron withdrawing. Done. Depends upon adjacent atom. Resonance effect done. Then here we have positive in this case. What happened if same thing, electron resonance, something negative resonance is nothing but negative R effect, something is happened. Here we have plus R effect, minus R effect. Example, if halogen is present, it shows plus R, OH group, OL group. This one all R shows electron. It acts as an electron donating group. These are electron donating group. These are electron withdrawing group. Aldehyde compound, ketone compound, and nitrile compound, other things. Yes, what is the question? Aliphatic compound can undergo resonance, sir. No, Baswaraj. Aliphatic compound never undergo resonance. Resonance is completely depends upon aromatic compounds only. Resonance effect is correspond to aromatic compound. Okay, it's clear. It's clear, Baswaraj. They never undergo resonance. Hey, no. Aliphatic also compound can. Yes, it's also undergo resonance. Yes, if it consists double bond, it's also undergo resonance. Okay, now it's clear, Baswaraj. It never shows plus or negative R effect, but aliphatic compound also shows resonating structure. It can also produce resonating structure. For example, here look here. This is where I write O. Yes, this is also aliphatic, right? This is also aliphatic, right? ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೆಸೋನೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರೆಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ aliphatic, it is also shows resonance effect only. Okay, both are shows, but we always consider only aromatic compounds. Okay, then electromagnetic effect plus E effect. This is also sigma bond. Okay, it is also called as temporary effect. The organic compounds having multiple bond. Which bond shows this one? Which bond shows electromagnetic effect? Only the organic compound consists multiple bond is nothing but double bond, triple bond ಇರೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ electromagnetic effect ನ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. In the presence of attacking reagents only. Oh my god. Here another thing is there, another point which shows electromagnetic effect in the presence of attacking reagent. For example, plus E effect. Plus E effect is nothing but complete bond ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, then it is easy to attack, right? If they forms negative charge, then positive charge it easily attack that one. This is called positive electromagnetic effect. Whenever the Cn minus, whenever we have electrophiles, that thing is happen. Whenever similarly nucleophile ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, they withdraw this one and this Cn minus is attached to different carbon atom. Then is whenever the withdraw, ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ನ withdraw ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆಗ ಇದು ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. This effect is called electromagnetic effect. Here what happened, it is defined as the complete transfer of shared pi electrons to one of the atom. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the carbon atom, the multiple bonds formed by sharing, right? What happened, whenever this pi bond electron shares na, it's completely shared to one element. Okay, whenever this atom or the element carries positive charge, this effect is called negative electromagnetic effect. For example, nucleophile, what happened, the nucleophile attack this carbon atom. Nucleophile ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, nucleophile attack this carbon atom. Whenever the bond moves, then what happened, here it carries positive charge, in this case negative charge, positive charge. Here we have attacking reagent as H plus atom. H plus atom ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this attack this position, right my dear students? Now it's clear, I hope it's clear. Then hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation is nothing but it is a general stabilizing interaction. What is it? General stabilizing interaction between involves delocalization of sigma electron of CH bond. Sigma electron movement ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು hyperconjugation ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Whenever alkyl group is present, this bond is happen, this method is happen. Come on, now it is very important time, everybody. The first question, which one is correct order of acidity? We have four options. Option A, CH double bond CH, CH3C triple bond CH compound. It is in the form of decreasing order of their acidity. What is the exact answer in this question? Let us know, students. It is NEET UG 2017 question. 2017 question, NEET question. What is the answer here? What is the exact answer here? Baswaraj, what is the answer? Shivu, what is the answer for this question? Which order is correct? Let us know. Let me know in chat section, everybody. Everybody fast. Let me know. C. Oh my god. S is correct, Baswaraj. Because look here, students, we already know. Whenever we consider acidity, it's completely depending upon presence of bond, right? In this case, it presents only single bond. In this double bond is this. That's why this is a format. This is triple bond. Okay, C triple bond. S is correct. In this question, students, which one is more acidic compound? What is the correct answer? Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is more acidic? Come on, let me know, Baswaraj. It's also very easy question. Come on, let me know. Phenol, nitrophenol, what one? 2, 4, 6, trinitrophenol, and CH3O, it is nothing but paramethylphenol. What is the correct answer? Yay! Oh my god! Yay! Yes, it's correct answer. Oh my god, yes, it's correct answer. More acidic. Phenol, it is always more acidic, right? But you know one thing, Basuraj, it is wrong answer. The correct answer is option C. Option C is correct answer. I explain here, Basuraj. Please look here. Here, we know whenever the electron donating group is present, then it which donates the electron towards the ring. What happened? The electron density is increases. No, Basuraj. Listen here. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? In this compound, whenever the electron donating group is there, what happened? It increases electron density. Acidity is nothing but, what is the meaning of acidity? Acidity is nothing but which give H plus, which produce high H plus compound, which produce high H plus proton compound. Then this compound was called, these compounds are called what we call acidic compound, right? Then if we present electron withdrawing group, it is more basic in nature. That's why it's cancelled. Then we have three options. Electron donating group is clear. Whenever the electron withdrawing group is present, what happened? It withdraws some electron, then it easily produces H plus ions, right? That's why compared to phenol, nitrophenol has more acidity. That's why the correct answer is option C. Here we have three nitro groups. Here we have three nitro groups. Every nitro group, all three nitro group acts as an electron withdrawing in nature, which withdraw entire electron density, then it easily produces H plus protons. Then this compound, option C, it is have high, or it is a most acidic compound. Now it's clear. Baswaraj. Let me know, Baswaraj. It's clear. Baswaraj, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ H plus ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಸಿಡಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯಾವುದು H plus ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಮೋರ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Compared to phenol, and phenol is also more acidic compound only, but compared to phenol, whenever the withdrawing group is present in this ring, then this hit have more acidic. Sir, H please pa. Baswaraj, ಹೇಳಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. We know the concept. What happened? We don't have time, right? We don't have time, sir. Time is not there. We need to answer fast because we have only 3 and more. Yes, I think 3 and 30 minutes is there. On that time, within 330 minutes, we need to write 360 marks questions. Right, my dear students. Okay, I hope it's clear. In this question, what is the answer? The correct increasing order of the basic strength. Basic strength for the following compound is here. I write here in option A they give third compound first, then second, then option C second compound, first compound and third compound. In option B they give this third, second one. What is the correct answer, Baswaraj? Answer yes, sir. Super. Idu correct ide. Answer A. Baswaraj, please look here. NH2 group is there. It acts as an electron donating group, right? Option 3. Here we need to arrange the basic strength, right? Yes, 3 has highest to basic strength. Then after that, second has lowest to basic. Yes? It is arranged in the, here we need to increasing order of their basic strength. 3 has highest to basic strength and then first. Yes, option A is correct. Yes, it's correct. Correct, alwa. CH3 is nothing but electron donating group. What happened? Whenever the electron donating group is present, then it has highest basicity. First 3, second 1, last 1 2. These 3 are wrong ones. It is NEET UG 2017 question. Yes. 2 is more acidic. Oh my god. Baswaraj, super. Baswaraj, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ NEET question, NEET aspirants ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, NEET friends ಇದ್ರೆ, please share the channel. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಯೋ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 15 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Okay, now Baswaraj, please share it. Okay. Now it's done, my dear students. 3 questions done. Next, move on to the next question. Here the question 43 is nothing but it is a NEET UG 2017 question. 2017, it's nothing but totally 4 questions are coming from this unit. The question is the correct statement regarding electrophile. First option they give, electrophile is negatively charged. Oh my, it is wrong. Electrophile is nothing but positive, right? Yes. Electrophile is negatively charged species and can form a bond. Not is correct. Either these two. Electrophile are generally neutral species and can form a bond accepting. Okay. That one. In second one, electrophile can either neutral or positively charged. What is the correct answer? We can easily tell that answer. Right, my dear students? Very easy question. What is the correct answer, Baswaraj? Either option B, either option C. These are only 2 options all left. I already ruled out these 2 options. What is the correct answer? What is the sorry, not a nucleophile. Oh my god, they give electrophile definition. What is the correct answer? 2 na 3 na? Let me know. Let me know in chat section, everybody. Let me know. Let me know. B. Look here, Basraj, what they told. Electrophiles are generally neutral species and can form a bond accepting a pair of electrons from a nucleophile. But in this case, what they told, electrophile can be either neutral or positively charged. We know, right? Either maybe it's neutral or positive charge. But compared to this statement is have more weightage. ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ weightage ಇದೆ. Here they mention positive charge species also. That's why the answer is option C. Now clear? Baswaraj, clear? Option C is correct answer, not a B. Option C is correct, not B. Yes, B is also correct. Same scientist ಇದೆ. But ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ only they mention neutral. But electrophile we know, right? It neutral also, sometimes it carries positive charge also. Right, my dear students? Right, my dear NEET aspirants? Baswaraj, now it's clear? Electrophile andre ಏನು? ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾರಿನೂ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನ. ಐದರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಬಟ್ ನೆವರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ರೈಟ್, ನೌ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬಸವರಾಜ್. ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಬಸವರಾಜ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, it is clear. Students, fast, everybody fast. Baswaraj, C is correct answer. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then let's move for the next one. It is AIMS 2017 question. Here arrange the following incorrect decreasing order. Okay, in pKa value, basicity value. Yes sir, how to find pKa value, sir? I explain in next class. Okay, I explain in next class. Okay, don't worry. pKa is nothing but pKb pKa, basicity value. pKa value, right? It is correspond to basicity value. Okay, I explain, don't worry. After this class I explain that one. Okay, in this class only I explain. Let's see here what is there. We have 4 options. Very simple, students. pKa is nothing but is regarding, it is always correspond to basicity. If pKa value is high, then its basic value is also high. Then it's nothing but here this compound OHCH3 compound is there na. This third compound, it has highest pKa value. pKa value is always correspond to basicity value. Okay, my dear students, that's why the answer is option C. Okay, after that second is there S-phenol, second way, fourth, 1 second. Chlorine also acts as electron donating group. No, not 3. 1 second, students. 1 second. C, sir. Yes, it's also correct. Yes, C is correct. Third, second, then fourth to first. Yes, it's correct. Super, Baswaraj is correct only. Now next, move for the next question. Which of the following is correct with with respect to negative I effect of the substituents? R is alkyl group. We have 4 options here, my dear students. First one, NH2 compound ORF. NH2, it is in the form of increasing order. It is decreasing, increasing, decreasing. What is the correct answer? NEET UG 2018 question, 2018. Let me know everybody. Let me know fast. Now, what is the answer for this question? Negative I effect is nothing but, here alkyl group is present, no aryl group is present. They only give clarity here. They already give clarity here. No aryl group is present, only alkyl, only open chain is present. It's nothing but, we know negative I effect. Which compound shows negative I effect? If it consists electron withdrawing group, it has highest negative I effect. What is the correct answer? No, Basuraj, A is not correct answer. The correct answer is option C. Look here. They ask was following is correct with respect to negative I effect. Look here. Fluorine. Whenever the alkyl group is present, fluorine acts as an electron withdrawing group. Okay. Compared to OR group, fluorine, halogen. Whenever the alkyl group present, halogen is one of the highest electron withdrawing group. Compared to this one, it has highest capacity. Highest capacity is there to withdraw the electron. That's why the answer is this one, NH2. Right? NH2, which contribute electron pair towards the ring or towards the not a ring, towards the compound or towards the chain. That's why it has low negative I effect. It has high positive I effect. Whenever they ask plus I effect, we need to consider this condition or this option. Whenever they ask negative I effect, the answer is option C. First NH2 group is coming, then after that minus OR group, then after that fluorine count. This is answer. Okay, negative I effect is nothing but depends upon electron withdrawing group. Positive I effect is nothing but depends upon electron donating group, my dear students. Now it's clear, Baswaraj. I hope it's done. Baswaraj, I hope it's done. Baswaraj, I hope it's done. I hope it's clear. Okay, after that, let's move for the next question. Any doubt? Yes, super. Students, in every class, we solve minimum 50 PYQs, okay? In every day, we solve minimum 100 PYQs from tomorrow session. No, from today only, chemistry 1 unit is done. Yesterday, bio 1 unit is done. Today, another, physics 1 unit. Neha ma'am, she take physics classes, okay? Today, she complete entire 1 unit. Today, the GOC is done, okay? Tomorrow, I take such of atom compounds with PYQs. Don't worry, students. Okay, we are always there with you support, but we need some support from your side. Okay, the question is the compound that is most difficult to protonate is nothing but if it's present electron withdrawing compound, electron withdrawing group, or this oxygen which gives electron what electron is present now, which give electron pair towards the ring or anything, it has difficult to protonate is nothing but which produce H plus ion ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They ask like this. What is the correct answer? In option A, water molecule is there. Option B, difficult ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Students, don't confuse. Option B, what is that? Methanol. Methanol S here. Methoxymethane and phenol. Phenol is there. pH is nothing but phenol compound. This is a compound. pH. Which one is most difficult to protonate? Come on, let me know, students. Let me know, everybody. It is NEET, sorry, not in NEET 2019 question. It is NEET 2019 question. Let me know, everybody. Baswaraj, what is the correct answer? Very easy answer. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Which is most difficult to protonate? Which one is most difficult? D. Super, Baswaraj. S. D is correct answer. Here, look here. It can easily protonate. For every protonation, we use water molecule only, right, my dear students? No. Deprotonation. Yes. That's why this one also, compared to all these three here, electron donating group, we mainly consider on this hydrogen For this hydrogen is nothing but for this oxygen. Here we have highest electron density. Elli electron density ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು protonate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. We already know electron density ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದು. Next here, the correct order of basic strength of methyl substitute amines in aqueous solution is. We have these four options. What is the correct answer for this question? Come on, let me know. Super Baswaraj. Super. I think you answer most of the questions is correct only. I think your answer is most of the time correct, but you still have confused. Don't worry. It's sorted recently. Don't worry. Any students, what is the correct answer for this question? Yes, D. D, yeah. Come on, let me know. Baswaraj, fast. Sir, we have KSET exam on 18th and 19th. So give tips and tricks for this. Okay, Baswaraj, I give that. Very simple, students. Yaar KSET exam baritidira. Very simple. Students, when you go with, yes, we know, right? We have special time. We have separate timing for all C. C, yes, it's correct. Okay. C, na, yes. Obviously, it's correct. Here, what happened? CH3 compound is there, 2 CH3 molecule. Tertiary, secondary, primary. It's correct. Super, Baswaraj. Yen gota, students? I give some tricks. Actually, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಕೆಸೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. I have planned that. Actually, I have planned that, students, but it's too late, right? It's too late. We are starting channel from before 6 months only, but there is no Kannada students. ಏನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಚಾನಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ರೀಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀಟ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ದ ಚಾನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ವಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ KSET exams also. This is helpful for your brothers. Students, whenever you go on with that KSET, do simple trick. I give some tricks. Do these tricks, okay? Always MCQ only, right? If you don't know the answer, please don't attend that question. Okay, Baswaraj, most of the students lost is medical, not in medical seats, that is B.Pharm seats and other BSc AG seats in simple 0.000%. Okay, the ranking is very important. If you want to join important or any good engineering college or engineering college, the CET ranking is very important in Karnataka, my dear students. Do this trick. Go always with elimination, and please do not attend if you don't know the question. If you don't know the question, please do not attend that question, attend that type of questions, because negative marking is there, students. The competitive exams not like our board exams. Okay, Basuraj, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ತರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ those questions. Please don't attend those questions. Instead of attending those questions, think and attend it. Okay, always go with elimination order. First eliminate two options. After those two options, then do some I hope it's clear, Baswaraj. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then ಹೋಗೋಣವಾ, ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣವಾ. Almost 50% is done. Then hyper conjugation is not important. Yes. Next, more the types of organic reaction and mechanism. Okay, Baswaraj, artha aita? If you don't know the answer or if you don't know the question, please don't attend it. Okay, if you don't know, please don't attend it. I hope it's clear. Students, actually now the time is 2:01. Okay, now let's take lunch break. Okay, Baswaraj, after lunch break we can connect. Please stay here, go have some lunch and come back. The session is continued to 15 AM, sorry, PM. Okay, we have only few topics left, students. Type of organic reaction and related concepts. Okay, yes, Baswaraj, stay with us. Okay, please share the channel, Baswaraj. Okay, ನೀವು ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನೀಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ರಿಯಲಿ in within days we give promise in within 15 days we cover entire PCB units. We cover entire PCB solution with PYQs. Solving PYQs is very important. Please please share the channel for your friends. Okay, my dear students, come, let's connect, let's continue the session at exactly 2:15 or 2:20. Hey, students. Now, come on, let's continue the session now. Students, let's move for the types of organic reaction and mechanism. In organic reaction, we have basically 4 types. Yes, in organic reaction, we have basically 4 types, my dear students. How many types are there? Totally four types. First type is nothing but, which is the first type? Substitution reaction. In substitution reaction, what happened? We are already familiar with this reaction, right? In hydrocarbons, what happened? The hydrogen group is substituted by any other compound, any other heteroatom, right? This type of reactions are called substitution reaction. And after that, addition reaction. What is the meaning of addition reaction, students? In addition reaction, always what happened? The unsaturated compound, any unsaturated compound are converted into saturated compound by using addition reactions. Similarly, elimination reaction, something get eliminated, but here we have extra another one type. Up to you guys, class 10, up to class 10, you know these three. We have fourth type, rearrangement. In this rearrangement, we have 2 types: intermolecular rearrangement, intramolecular. Inter is nothing but with the other molecule. The rearrange takes place, or hydrogen group transfer. Hydrogen transfer takes place from one position to another molecular position. Similarly, if it takes place, if it's this only this intermolecule, intra is nothing but within the molecule. Within the molecule only this rearrangement is taken place. This type of rearrangement is called inter. What? Between two molecules is called inter. Within the molecule is called intra. Okay, my dear students, it is very important. Intramolecular and intermolecular. It is very useful in the case of boiling points. Okay, in the case of boiling points, these points are very important, my dear students. I hope it's clear. I repeat once. I explain once, my dear students. Substitution is nothing but we substitute the hydrogen molecule or any other molecule by any other atoms. Maybe it is heteroatom, maybe it's nucleophile, maybe it's electrophile. Nucleophilic substitution reaction is there, electrophilic substitution reaction is there, and addition reaction is something we add few compounds or we add element, especially always we add hydrogen, HBr molecule, HCl molecule, this type of molecule to a double bond unsaturated compound. What happened? The unsaturated compound is completely converted into saturated compound. Unsaturated compound is completely converted into saturated compound. In the case of elimination reaction, what happened in the case of elimination reaction? The group, the molecule is eliminated. Here also same thing is happened. Nucleophilic elimination reaction. En1, En2 is there. Electrophilic unimolecular nucleophilic elimination reaction. Bimolecular nucleophilic elimination reaction. Something is there. Okay, this is about elimination. Eliminate some compound which attack the molecule, and what happened on that time? The molecule is eliminated. Okay, this type of reaction is called elimination reaction. Rearrangement 2 types: intermolecular, intramolecular. Between two molecules, the rearrangement is taken place. This type of rearrangement ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ? Inter is nothing but between two molecule. Intra ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Intra ಅಂದ್ರೆ only one molecule. Within the molecule, ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ OH. ಈ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this hydrogen is shift towards this position. Then here carries this positive charge, this negative charge. Then what happened? Intermolecule, intra rearrangement. Something is happened. Intra andre within the molecule. Intra means within the molecule. Inter means between two molecules. Intra andre within the molecule. Inter means between two molecules. Okay, my dear students, type of organic reaction is done. Then after that, method of purification of organic compounds. Here we have few methods. The common techniques, these are the few common techniques is there. Sublimation. We are already familiar with sublimation. What happened? We heat the organic compound. What happened? Depends upon their melting point. Some compounds get evaporated. It converts solid state to its gas. Solid to gas. For example, camphor. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ನ, ಸಬ್ಲಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಬ್ಲಿಮೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಹೌ the schematic representation look like this one. For one inverted conical flask, we place some cotton here, and after that by using porcelain basin or china dish, we take that solid the mixture of solid. We heat that one. What happened? Depends upon the melting point. One compound is completely converted into gaseous, and other molecule or other compound we can obtain. Other molecule sigute namge. Okay na? Then crystallization. Crystallization is very simple, students. Especially whenever we prepare new compound. How we confirm this only new compound? By using crystallization method also we can easily confirm. Simple. First compound, now we take compound in some tube, test tube, and for this we had the suitable solubility or suitable solution to dissolve that compound, then heat this compound, then filtrate this one, and then place this entire dissolved compound in watch glass. Then what happened? Crystals are formed. Then take one melting tube, fill that compound, and check their melting point, corresponding melting point. By melting point, we can confirm that is this compound. What we want now, this compound is coming or not, we can check, we can cross verify by crystallization, distillation, and also differential extraction, and last one chromatography technique. Nowadays, this technique is very important. Which technique, my dear students? Chromatography. In everywhere we use chromatography. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈಗ? Nowadays in everywhere we use this chromatography technique. Okay na? Chromatography. In chromatography we have TLC, thin layer chromatography. Okay, many types of chromatography is there. Okay, my dear students, come on, let's discuss. Let's start with sublimation. We are already familiar with this one. Heat a compound, sublimation. I think you don't want more explanation regarding about sublimation. It's not important. Crystallization also is done, right? Then distillation is important. This is a schematic representation. Look here, one RB flask is there. Here, water inlet, water outlet is there. Yes, here, sorry. For condenser is there. Water inlet, water outlet. Why this thermometer is used? To check the boiling point. And here we get some liquid substance. Whatever we start RB flask. In RB flask, some consists something condenser. This thing is happened. What happened? We heat this compound by using RB flask. Okay, what happened? We have two liquids, two miscible or immiscible. This is mainly used for volatile liquids from non-volatile impurities. Volatile liquids in the non-volatile impurity na separate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. To separate non-volatile liquids from volatile liquids, we use this techniques. Very simple. We heat this compound, then the vapor is forming, depends upon their melting point. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಎರಡು ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೇನೋ ನಮ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 160 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 160 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಈ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It heated and then it transferred to this one, and here we connect or we collect the entire solution part. Okay, this is about distillation. Then fractional distillation method. Fractional distillation is also same for the distillation. In boiling point of two liquid is not much. Adralli normal distillation, what is there in normal distillation? The boiling point is too high. It's nothing but the boiling point between two liquid more than 100 degree. Here low is there. This technique is of fractional distillation is used in such cases. In this technique, vapors of liquid mixtures are passed through a fractionating column. Here one different column is there, fractionating column. This is called fractionating column with packing. By using this, we can get the distilled liquid. Okay. Here crude oil in petroleum industry, distillation under reduced pressure. Crude oil. The extraction of crude oil is there in petroleum. Whenever we extract the petroleum, we get some impurities also, my dear students. Or whenever we get impurities, for this process this process is used to extract the crude oil in petroleum industry. Okay, my dear students, this is about which one? Yes, fractional distillation. Here one extra fractionating column with packing is there. Okay, after that steam distillation, same thing. It's steam distillation is nothing but this technique is applied to separate substance which are steam volatile and are immiscible. Immiscible is nothing but they can't mix each other. Okay na? Miscible example, ethanol plus water. Immiscible. Okay. In steam distillation, what happened? The liquid to be distilled, the mixture of steam and the volatile organic compound is condensed and collected. Here We collected that one water or distilled liquid, everything we collected, and okay, composed to be distilled. This is a setup. Okay, steam distillation done, chromatography technique before extraction. In this, chromatography is an important technique extensively used to separate mixtures into their components. This method ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ components, purify compounds and also that test to the purity of compounds. ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು chromatography technique ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. The name chromatography is based on the Greek word chroma. Chroma is nothing but color. Okay, for color, since this method was first used to separation of colored substance. Where chromatography is used first time, chromatography is used to separate the what, to separate the colored substance separate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Here we have two type of chromatography. First one, absorption chromatography, partial chromatography. Very important, students, for KC students. Okay, very important. Absorption chromatography, ಏನು is there? Adsorption is based on the fact that different compounds are absorbed at an absorbent of different degrees. It's nothing but absorbent. The compounds, some compounds ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, some degree, ಈಗ compound ನ heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the degree is increases, the temperature is increases. For example, some compounds absorb the compound at 35 degrees, some compounds absorb the compound at 50 degree. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then after that, we have in this absorption chromatography, we have two chromatography technique is there, column chromatography and thin layer chromatography. Very simple chromatography. Column, here this is the schematic representation. Solvent irutte, mixture of compounds, so adsorbent, it is called stationary, mobile space, stationary space and glass hole. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ chromatography ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಕಾಲಮ್ thin layer, it is not important. Partial chromatography is there. Next, we are coming to main part, last part ಮತ್ತೆ main part, students. Qualitative analysis of organic compound and also quantitative. Definitely they ask question. Definitely for your case, for your need, they ask question from this topic. Okay, definitely ಅವರು ಕೇಳೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Up to still, any doubt is there, my dear students? Up to still, ಈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. You have totally 3 minutes, 2 minutes time is there. Okay, come, let's tell fastly. ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಬೇಗ please. Any doubt is there? Yes, Baswaraj. No doubts. Yes, Baswaraj. These are very important. Qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? KCET exams. For KCET it is very important. One second, my dear students. Yes, these two are very important. Okay, here let's start with detection of carbon and hydrogen. How we detect these two? Very simple. We take carbon molecule and the carbon containing molecule, we heat this compound by using copper oxide. Copper oxide. What happened? Whenever the carbon is present, then with release CO2 gas, we get CO2. Carbon is CO2, then hydrogen is present, we get water molecule. I repeat once, if the compound consists carbon, then with releases CO2 gas. How we confirm this carbon dioxide gas is releases or not? By using lime water test. Confirm ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. By using lime water test, what happened? How it look like? I shown here. We have two test tube. Here we have carbon molecule, CuO, copper oxide, right? Then here after it, what happened? Carbon dioxide gas is releases. Then we connect this gas to the another test tube. Which consists, what it consists? Which consists lime water. Sunnada neeru, which consists lime water. Then what happened? After passing CO2 gas to the lime water, to the test tube consists lime water, this lime water turns milky. If CO2 gas is releases, then this lime water turns milky. By using this technique, we can confirm CO2 gas evolution. ಗ್ಯಾಸು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ದಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ದ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ CO2 ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. CO2 ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. By using this technique, we confirm the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. And also water. How water is confirmed? Here only there. Water is there, CuO, then it forms H2O molecule. Carbon, hydrogen, done. Then move on to the detection of elements. In this detection of elements, we have mainly detect nitrogen, phosphorus not sulfur, nitrogen, sulfurs and halogens in this process. This is also called Lessons test. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ? Lessons test. Okay, very important. In Lessons test, what happened? This is a reaction takes place. In this one, nitrogen, sulfur, halogens and phosphorus. Oh my god, phosphorus also there. I already write, but I got some confused. Yes, phosphorus in organic compound. Very simple. Here, what we do, students? This step you already know, right? Lesson test in your practical. Simply we take one test tube. One, not a test tube, it is an ignition tube. We take ignition tube here. We take ignition tube. What happened? We heat this ignition tube. First we heat this ignition tube until no heating, sir. First we take clean and ignition tube. After we add sodium metal for this one. After ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? We had sodium metal for this one. Then after that we heat the compound. Then we heat the compound and until what? Until we heat the compound until it become silver globule. It's nothing but adu melt agataka. We already know sodium is a low melting point metal. It's nothing but we can easily cut that metal. It is also a highly reactive metal. Be careful, students, in this experiment. Then until silver globule, we heat the compound, silver globule. Then it's done. After that, in second method, for the test for the ignition tube consists sodium metal. Then it's silver globule is forming. Then for this add 1 gram or 1 ml of organic compound. 1 gram or 1 ml of organic compound. Okay, my dear students? Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 gram ಅಥವಾ 1 ml organic compound ನ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. After that, again we heat the compound. Again heating. After that, we transfer. Again heating until it become red dot. We need to heat this compound, heat this ignition tube. After that, we transfer complete ignition tube towards the porcelain basin, and we smashed this one, we crashed this one by using porcelain basin. After that, we transfer complete in this porcelain basin. We have 10 to 15 ml of water. After we transfer this to an China dish. Then we heat this compound, we heat this mixture, and after that we filtrate. After that, what we do? We filtrate, and we filter that compound. Then this filtrate is there now. This is called LSG test or sodium fusion extract. It is called SFE. It's nothing but sodium fusion extract. This is a procedure present in Lashing's test. Where it is present in Lashing test. This is a procedure. I repeat once. First we take one pure ignition tube. For that we had sodium metal. We heat the compound until it becomes silver globule. For that we had 1 gram or 1 ml of organic compound. Again we heated the compound until it become red dot. This position is there, a red dot. We heat this ignition tube in lower flame. It's nothing but not in blue flame, in another orange flame. We heat the compound in orange flame. Okay. After that we transfer the compound, we transfer the ignition tube to the porcelain basin consists or containing 10 to 15 ml of water. Then we crushed that one. Then we crushed that one. After that, we transfer the entire thing towards porcelain basin, and not a porcelain basin, it is a china dish. After we eat the compound, after we filtrate, then we open. We filter after we filter this compound, then we obtain that compound, then we obtain some solution. This solution is called SFE. Okay, entire I explained that. Next, start with test for nitrogen. For nitrogen, what we do? We take 2 ml or some part of an SFE, and for that we had concentrated H2SO4, and also what we add? Yes, iron sulfate and H2SO4. We obtain the students, we divide into 4 parts, A, B, C, D. We divide the entire SFE into 4 parts. Whenever this A part, we eat this compound in the presence of iron sulfate and concentrated H2SO4 not heating, simply we transfer. We react this compound, then it shows Prussian blue color. What is the Prussian blue color? If it shows Prussian blue color, then we can easily confirm the nitrogen. In exams, they ask students, how you confirm nitrogen? By using qualitative analysis. It's qualitative or quantitative? Yes, it's qualitative, right? How you confirm? Very simple, by using this SFE test. Very simple. Okay. First, what is the, and also in NEET they ask. How they ask? They give the test for nitrogen. They ask like this, that the correct test for nitrogen. They give 4 options. They give SFE or Lessons test solution, or plus with that iron sulfate concentrated H2SO4, it is there in one option. In other 3 options is different. By using that, we can easily confirm the nitrogen. This is a reaction. Okay. Then after that, which one? Sulfur. Sulfur also same, sodium fusion extract is acidified with acetic acid and lead acetate. For that, we add acetic acid, CH3COOH, and lead acetate, PBS. Then we get black PPT. If we get black PPT, then we confirm the sulfur. This method now sulfur na confirm ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Similarly, then test for halogens, very simple. Halogen ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Sodium fusion extract ಗೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ? Nitric acid, and then treated with silver nitrate. First, we treated the D part or C part of the sodium fusion extract with concentrated HNO3. We had few drops of concentrated HNO3 for the concentrated or dilute. Okay, any one thing, we add HNO3 and silver nitrate. Whenever we add this, if the sodium fusion extract or the organic compound consists halogen, then it shows silver globule. Then ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? Which shows white PPT or silver, and also yes, white PPT. Oh my god, sorry, white PPT ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬುಲ್ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ವೈಟ್ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, if it shows white PPT and this PPT it is soluble in NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide is soluble ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ chlorine present ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Instead of white, it get yellow PPT, then it presents fluorine. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದು? ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್. ಓ ಎಸ್, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್, ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್, ಅದು ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ extract, we had few drops of HNO3 and silver nitrate. If it get white PPT, then chlorine is present. If it gets yellow PPT, then that yellow PPT is partially dislodged or sparingly dissolved in ammonium hydroxide. Then we can confirm bromine is present. Similarly, iodine kuda. Okay, artha aita? If nitrogen sulfur is also present in the compound, the sodium fusion extract is first boiled with concentrated nitric acid. Miss agi, if nitrogen ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಇದ್ರೆ, nitrogen and sulfur both is present, then we need to heat the compound with HNO3. After that, we get that one. Next, test for phosphorus. How we confirm that phosphorus? By using the compound is heated with an oxidizing agent. Any oxidizing agent ಜೊತೆ heat ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we can easily confirm that oxidize ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಲ್ಫರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, phosphorus ಇದ್ರೆ. Then qualitative analysis done, students. I give quick summarization related to qualitative analysis. My dear students, I give quick summarization. Oh, we almost in the last end of the session. Where is that one? Yes. In qualitative analysis, we mainly confirm the carbon and hydrogen and nitrogen, sulfur. Oh my god. 1 second. Nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Oh, not an oxygen. That one. Fluorine. Fluorine are all halogens and phosphorus. These four we confirm by Lassin's test, and this one by normal. Here, first, what we do? If carbon is present, we heat the compound with CuO compound, copper oxide, then it releases carbon dioxide. Then if it releases carbon dioxide gas, then we can easily confirm the compound consists carbon. We can easily confirm the compound consists carbon. Similarly, if its hydrogen is present, when we heated this compound with copper oxide, when we treated with compound with copper oxide, then what we obtained? Water molecule with copper with Cu molecule. That's done. For that, you need to add here 2 plus 2C. Very simple. This regarding about carbon and hydrogen. Then after that, for sulfur, nitrogen, halogen and phosphorus, we do Lassin's test. Lassin's test. In this Lassin's test, what we do? First, we had the compound. Oh, not an adding. Sorry for that. We take clean ignition tube. Then for this tube we had sodium metal. Then we heat the compound. Students, I have one question here. Why we add the sodium metal? Why we need SFE test? Why we do SFE test? We don't have any other test to confirm this one. Why we do? Come on, let us know. Let us know in chat section, everybody. Basraj, you have any idea why we only use this SFE only instead of any other test? Why we use this only? You have any doubt? You have any idea regarding about that one? Come on, let us know. Let us know, my dear students. Come on, Basraj, ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾಕೆ SFE ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Any idea why we use this one only? Come on, Basraj, ಹೇಳಿ. Come on, ಹೇಳಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? Why we use that one? Because ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ this sodium metal is there na, it forms a bond with covalent compound, then it converts covalent bond to ionic compound. Covalent compound na ionic compound agi convert ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It converts covalent compound to ionic compound. Then we can easily test it. We can easily form a bond. We know we can't break covalent bond, single covalent bond. It is difficult. That's why we use sodium metal. Okay, it's very important questions. Definitely in this time they asked it. Sodium metal, we had the sodium metal and we heat the compound until it becomes silver globule. Then after that, what's the next procedure, next step? For that we had 1 gram or 1 ml of OC. OC is nothing but organic compound. Then again we heat the compound in low flame. Then until it become red dot, we heat the compound until it become red dot. After that, we transfer this to porcelain basin, which consists 15 to 20 ml of distilled water. Then we smash it, we crush it that thing, and after we transfer this to china dish. Then we heat the mixture to 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we filter this. We filter this mixture. After this, what we do? Oh my god, it's gone. Yes, it's okay. After this, we filter the mixture, then we got the answer. Then come on, qualitative than quantitative is nothing but, in qualitative, what we identify only its presence. In qualitative, what we identify, we only the presence of a carbon or any either presence of an element ನಾವು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We identify the presence. In quantitative, we identify the ratios. First, start with carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen are estimated in one experiment. A known mass of an organic compound is burnt in the presence of known excess of oxygen and copper oxide. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, excess of oxygen ಮತ್ತೆ copper oxide ನ burn ಮಾಡಿ carbon and hydrogen compounds are oxidized to carbon dioxide and water respectively. Water ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The experiment setup look like this one. Combustion tube is there, pure dry oxygen ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Copper oxide, copper metal is there, copper metal plate. Then here anhydrous CaCl2. Why we do that? Anhydrous CaCl2 KOH. Anhydrous CaCl2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ KOH ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. This is an qualitative analysis of what? Oxygen or hydrogen. Then ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ percentage of carbon is calculated by using this formula. Okay. After that, nitrogen by using Dumas method. Then halogens. Then okay, students, I am back in 2 minutes. 1 second. I am back in within 2 minutes. Please stay. Yes, students. Yes. Then percentage of carbon is calculated by using this formula. 1 second. Yeah. Where is the pen man? Yes, here. Yes. Percentage of carbon is calculated by using this formula. Here one question is there. Look here. On complete combustion, what happened? 0.246 of carbon atom or organic compound gives 0.198 of carbon atom. Here then M2 compound becomes 0.198. Then we obtain that a formula. This formula of percentage of hydrogen and carbon, and also find Domus method. We find the percentage, we find the quantitative analysis of nitrogen. What we do here, the nitrogen containing organic compound when heated with copper oxide, same thing, copper oxide, and here what happened, carbon dioxide compound, water molecule, and nitrogen is obtained. By using this Z by 2 we can calculate the volume of nitrogen and something, right? This is about Dumas method. Then this is an setup. It's okay. Yes, now students, after that Zelda's method, this one Zelda's method, this is a formula. This important, mainly focus on this one. For example, here one problem is there. During estimation of nitrogen, something is happened, we can do that one. Then after that, halogens by using carriers method, and that sulfur by using normal a non-mass organic compound, same student, carriers tube only, we eat the compound. Then after this about entire GOC. Any doubts? Then let us know in comment section, my dear students. If you have any doubt, then let us know in comment section. Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video till end. If you have any doubt, then let us know in chat section. Everybody, bye bye, students. Take care. Everybody, bye.